Hi everybody, I'm Soraya. Welcome to my art channel. So as an artist, I'm always trying to do something unique, something different, something to be creative. You don't want to get stuck in a rut and do the same thing over and over again. That's not fun. So I always try to do something that I haven't done. So that could be something as easy as new color combinations. It could be a new technique, or it could just be the size and shape of a canvas. Now, I've completed this painting you're about to see, and I love the way it turned out, and it is a little bit different technique for me than I've normally done. So I'd love to hear what you think of this painting, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have your support. Enjoy the video. I start by pouring paint, blowing it out, and then letting it dry completely. Once that's done, I enhance it, and this is the final result. Keep watching to see how. Okay, so today I'm working on a 30-inch by 48-inch gallery wrap canvas that's 76 by 121 centimeters. The colors I'm using is Liquitex Basics, Mars Black, Artist Loft, Soft Body Acrylics, and Deco Art Metallics 24 karat gold. Now I do have a blue. I have this blue, but it was left over and I don't remember what it is. But it's a lovely kind of grayish blue. A little bit of purple in it looks like. Lovely color. The last color I'm using is Amsterdam's Permanent Violet. Blue Violet, I think it is. Violet blue. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. I sing next. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. side, and I'm loving the purple. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do, and not so much the blue, although like right there it looks great together. So I'm just gonna have to see how this dries. I think I might have to enhance it. I usually like to enhance it anyway, but look at that. I think it's got beautiful movement in here already. And I really took a long time to really blow it out and get it how I wanted it. So it'll be nice to see when it dries, what I can do with it. But I think it's very dramatic and colorful, a little bit more colorful, and I like that. So I'll be back here in just 1 second. Okay, so here it is dried up. It took about 3 days to dry. Look at some of the details here though. I love that gold against the purple. It looks beautiful. There's a lot of really beautiful details here. I love this part down here, the purple and the blue mixed. And the lacing, I think, looks really, really beautiful. And look at it on this side. Beautiful. But I find that this middle part here is very much kind of a big block, and I'd like to have a little bit more detail in there. So I'm going to be working on that. Let's see what happens. I'm using Liquitex Basics Titanium White. Right off the bat, I knew that that side of the painting needed to be extended further out, and that's what I'm working on now. Now this side of the painting, or middle I guess I should say, was beautiful when you looked at it up close, but really when you stood back it was just one big block of color, and that's why I'm adding some detail to it. You can already see the difference here that detail has made by breaking up that big block of color. It's much more interesting, and you want the viewer to come in close and be drawn to the painting. Now granted, it does take time and effort to do these details, to add them in, to enhance it, but in the end, your pour will be a total, unique, original. And that's what you want. Like the other side, this had to get extended out as well. I decided to add some black to that area to break it up a bit and just add more interest. I like the idea of a crack going through the painting. So here is the painting all done, and I do love the way it turned out. adding those details and accentuating areas of it, I think really helped. I love putting in this kind of crack here. I think that really helped with the painting, and just the details here. Didn't have to do really too much. And the other thing is, it looks like, depending on how you look at it, and I'm going to tilt it a little bit, you can see that gold really shining through, and it changes depending on where you're standing. You see that? It kind of looks like it's glowing. It's quite beautiful. So I'm super happy with this. Let me know what you think, and click on the link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours.